Mr. Dante Malazarte, National Referee. Second referee, Mr. Efren Gaa, International Referee. Let's call on our starting lineup from our Meralco Power Spikers. Let's start off with jersey number 1, guest player, Tanyama Misao. At number 2, Abigail Maraño. Wearing jersey number 4, Stephanie Mercado. At number 10, team captain, Maureen Penetrante Owaño. Wearing jersey number 13, Maika Morada. And at number 16, guest player, Juanida Cotruang. Libero number 12, Jenilyn Reyes. Head coach, Mr. Brian Esquivel. Calling on our PLDT Home Tailpad Turbo Boosters. At number 1, Ruby De Leon. Wearing jersey number 2, Rizabel De Vanadera. Wearing jersey number 3, team captain, Suzanne Roses. At number 5, Gretchel Soltones. Wearing jersey number 11, Lawrence Ann Latigay. And at number 14, Maria Rosario Soriano. Libero, number 6, Leslie Ann Gata Pantone. Head coach, Mr. Roger Gorayen. This is game 2 of the finals for the bronze. The best of luck to both teams.
That disappointed. They couldn't get into the finals. They had I think more than anything else, they had the chemistry problems going in. Meralco, a new team, different parts. Hindi na ito yung lumang Meralco eh. Iba na ang team ito eh.
At ang maganda lang dito, as you can see, yung mga stars natin, sama-sama, di ba?
Oh, parang all-star game ito nga.
Yes, and kahit naman yung mga Thai imports natin sa Cotruang, we've seen them, we know how they play, and alam natin kung paano sila kagagaling. Di ba? And ang saya lang panoodin.
Ayan. And ito, nakangiti pa yung nagchichismisan pa. May nagsabi nga sa akin na, Sir, napapansin niyo nagchichismisan. Oo, ito, sa umpisa pa lang, ito, yung Thai import. Umpisa pa lang.
Si Cotruang, at saka si Ruby, si Soriano.
Parang kumusta? Anong latest? As usual, kasi babae, ang sagot, actually, we're good. Sasabihin mo na naman sa akin, pinipilit kong...
Alam na alam mo.
Akala ko sasabihin mo sa akin, pinipilit kong intindihin. Hindi ko na. Wag na. Ruby De Leon is underway with her serve. They're ahead 1-0. Ruby keeps it afloat, but even Sue Roses can't get to it. It's way out of reach.
Yung nangyari doon, si Ruby actually reaction na lang yun eh.
Reflex action na lang.
Reflex action na lang.
I wonder if Sue Roses is ever unfold. Nice. Morada knocking that down.
Morada taking that early Christmas present from PLDT.
And knocking it straight down the line. 2-1 ahead po ang kupunan ng Meralco.
Nice. First ball.
Roses gets it to Maraño.
Roses, hihira natin makita yan. Open hit.
Yes, indeed. It's I love watching Abby Maraño play. It's all out, all energy. It's like a nice Shakey's pizza. For fun family pizza, it's got to be Shakey's.
Yan, dyan tayo kumukuha ng energy.
Nice attack. Kept in the air by Morada. Recycled offense. Morada, makala ko mahuhulog paglipad. Latigay.
Good coverage from both squads.
And Ruby De Leon, alanganin, and Ruby knew it.
Well, it was really close to the net, but Ruby tried to set it to the open.
It became even closer to the net.
Yes, and to the antenna. So, nawawala na space.
Axel is our official outfitter here in the Shakey's Relay. Here's the serve by Maraño. Soltones, and well done. Sapul.
That's her house. Kanina yung open hit, nakascore si Suhu. Pero bihira natin siya makakita dyan. But yun, running hit.
Nagulat nga si Steph Mercado. Ay, patay. Yung reaction ni Steph, patay. Tabla tayo sa tres. Latigay. This is one of the most unusual and fascinating names of the United States. Lawrence
Luan.
Diba? Palagay ko, yung tatay niya si Lorenzo.
Yan.
Wala lang. Ito na. Sumisigaw na si Maureen Uano.
Nice short stab.
Yep, indeed. Soltones, cargado, tinaas si Pantone, and it is out of reach. Nobody home in the back row.
That's right. Mataas-taas pa naman yung bola sana, but nobody there for the second ball. Coach Ruang once again.
Alam mo si Lizzie Angata Pantone, isa sa pinaka-voice na libero sa Pilipinas.
Yun. Yung kahit ano gawin mo sa kanya, ladylike tignan.
Ako tatlo yung ladylike na eh. Denden Lazaro, si Lizzie Angata Pantone, si Melissa Gohing, yan tatlong yan. Yung iba naman, gaya ni Jen Reyes, yung iba, nagkakahiwalay-hiwalay ang katawan.
Mukhang parang more shy, parang
happy childhood yung mga yun.
Oo, mga bagets.
Ang galing mag-somersault eh.
Gymnast.
Saka may mga hair clips sa ulo. Nice pick up by Morada. Ruby check the scenery. Back row problem.
And she had the right decision there to give it to Devan Adera on a quick hit.
Those of you who play setter, watch how Ruby De Leon.
Tinitignan niya, sino ba ang setters ko? Ay, sino ba ang spikers ko?
Titignan niya yung setters, titignan niya yung... It's quick eyes, peripheral vision, all combined. Tabla sa 5, Roses serves. Aba, si Kotruang, akala ko matatanggal yung kanyang mga braso. Pinik up ni Roses. Hello, my name is...
Ruby on the dump.
And Ruby says, I can do this. Watch me do this. All afternoon with the Mikasa official ball of the Shakey's B-League. Here's Sue Roses continuing her service stint. Ahead 6-5. Masao, ang ganda. Galing na setter nito.
Great connection. Penetrante Uano on that quick hit.
Watch this.
Ang ganda pa nung nilakbay. Diba kung saan pumunta? Si Maureen.
Gusto niya yan, ano? Sarap tong feeling naman makakonect kasi Morada will be serving. Sumigaw si Luan kasi sagwa nung kanyang pick-up.
Another chance for PLDT.
Cargado, Soltones. Makasigaw si Uano, no?
And I like that Morada is really aggressive at this first set.
Yes.
Oh!
Mercado knocking it down and giving the 1-point lead to Meralco.
And ang ganda nung snap ng wrist ni Mercado.
Which has always been her forte.
Look at this.
First time we actually began to cover volleyball, she was just coming off the bench sa Lasal.
Ang dami na natin.
Marami na natin. They are now starters. Oh! Diba they start coming from the different parts of the planet or the Philippines for that matter.
Sometimes nga nakikita natin yung nag-aabot pa lang ng bola, diba? They're helping out during warm-ups and
then they become
eventually the stars in their team.
Susunod niyan si Laure ng USD. Yan ang susunod.
Just imagine.
Isao.
Running hit.
Ruby Soltones whips it good.
Too much to handle.
And makes it 8-7. Ruby De Leon with some final words before we take a break for the technical timeout.
Now you can get ultra-fast internet speeds with SmartPro's most affordable LTE plans. For as low as $5.99 a month, no lock-in period. What are you waiting for? Get tomorrow's internet now. SmartPro.
Hey, listen, let me tell you a secret. Let me tell you why a girl like me is so head over heels for the new Shakey's Pizza 1954. The secret's in the crust, the new gourmet crust. Then it was topped with only the finest ingredients and fresh herbs. The new Shakey's Pizza 1954. Now that's what I call a throwback.
Their experience in playing together as a team. Coach Brian knows how they play individually, and this time they should know how to improve together as a team. Seven Mosi.
Thank you very much, Ira. And alam mo, gusto ko yung patience ng Meralco. They haven't won any game, but they're still in the thick of each battle. Nicely done. Steph Mercado is on a hot streak.
And sa nilalaro nila ngayon, di ako magtataka kung dito pa rin.
Makanakaw ng isa today.
Makanakaw. At you can, minsan it's really hard to go up against a team na wala nothing to lose. Diba?
Yan ang pinakamahirap.
Playing.
Saka yung trying to close out.
Right.
Naku, yung pressure gaya nangyari sa FEU kanina. In the meantime, Charo Soriano does what she does best. Close to the net. I love the story of Charo Soriano. She had already said when she graduated from the Ateneo, my volleyball career is over. I'll help coach when I'll just do corporate work. I know she has a small business of her own, but here she still is.
Yes, right. Hindi makali sa buhay volleyball. Oh, what's wrong?
In the meantime, I have another Charo Soriano story in just a short while. In the meantime, here is the set. It becomes one for Soltones.
Oh, and Soltones sends it long.
Pagagalitan ng mga ate to.
Uh-huh.
Hindi naman. Alam mo si Charo Soriano, the other stories, when we met in a coffee shop, means, my God, you look so corporate today. Sir Seb, ikaw naman, sanay ka lang kasi nakabalibol ako. And she was in a meeting with somebody else, and she just looked so professional.
Oh,
Lucky guy.
Minsan you have to look twice Sila ba talaga yun? Pag hindi naka-volleyball outfit.
Oh, look at that. That's Cotruang nailing it in the deep corner. Pag ito, nasa group ang laro nito.
Ang lakas pumalo. And he likes those yung mga corners. Yan ang gustong-gusto niyang target.
Parang nga siya nene na nautusan lang pumuntang palengke. Pero pag pumalo, connect eh. Lucky guy. Yes!
Latigay this time. Good spot.
Sa panahon ng tagulan, iwasan po natin ang dengue, lion, tiger, katolang gamitin, proudly Philippine made. Kung may sakit si Kuya Roger, gano'n ka vociferous kaya siya today? Tingnan natin. 10 apiece. Tapik. Ruby De Leon sa kabilang panig. Tusok yan.
Going down the line, Ruby gets the point. That was Zane Roses gets the point. Ang ganda ng down the line hit ni Sue.
Runner down the line. Hindi lang niya master masyado yung back row. Hindi not as solid. But when they need to get her to score there, yes, that's short. That's an awkward. That should have been just more a free ball.
So far away.
Yeah, masyado na malayo.
Nandun yung adjustment. We saw her adjusting to that hit. Pero ang layo na masyado.
Too much real estate underneath. In the meantime, dig up by Reyes. Off speed. Wow, confusion. Nisigaw si Lizan na palo.
Yun yung minsan mahirap. If ang mata mo nakatingin sa kapwa mo player, hindi sa bola.
Yes. Masyadong conscious ka. Ikaw, ako, magkakabanggaan. Well, they recovered quickly. They are still ahead, 13-11. Rosario Soriano, Charo will be serving. And an ace of the serve. 14-11. It's time for Brian Esquivel to chat with his team.
Diyan, forward ka ng konti. Para yung short ball. Short ball. Tulong tayo, Micah, sa receive. Adjust ka rito. Ha? Problema tayo sa receive eh. Kasi yung outside, saka yung short ball, hindi natin nakukuha ng maayos. Ha? Pumesto tayo sa tama. Para yung outside, mabilis natin may iwasan.
Sabi sa inyo, either tara yan o fight. No, di ba? Yan yung tira ni Charo Soriano. Bang! Down the middle. And here's a second look.
And si Charo, may mga players na yung tawag nila hindi magastos, hindi ma-error.
Good point.
Yun siya, yun nandyan lang siya. She may not be as explosive as, let's say, some of her teammates, pero steady lang.
Yes. She'll get her
You
points.
you also want her in the court.
Reliable eh.
Yep.
Depends upon. Although there was a time in the collegiate, she was for touch.
Yes, yun ang sinasabi ni Coach Ruang na i-over na kasi tumama na twice nung pagbalik ng bola.
But going back to Charo, there was a time when she's going to serve at 15-11. She was the leading scorer in the UAAP.
Correct.
When Ateneo was
And best
beginning to...
scorer
Yeah.
at one time.
And
Yeah.
when Ateneo was beginning to move forward, the early years of
Yun.
sila Gretchen Ho,
That's right.
Meron nila Filta Inglet. But she's medyo patapos na rin si Charo nun eh. In the meantime, sprawled on the floor is Morada. And we're going to take a short break because it's a technical timeout at 16-11.
Muna tayong mag-iwalay dun sa center block. Naiiwanan ng hindi lang palagi. Pwede magsimula tayo.
Diba?
Saka ano eh, nung matagal ding assistant niya sa familiar yan eh. Cool dude din yan.
Letran.
Yes. Carcado.
Oh,
Uy, tusok yan.
this is what we were talking about.
Ako, huwag niyong gagalitin to si Morada.
Micah Morada on that open hit.
Eto, marunong yung isang basang-basa niya. Alam niya yung gusto ni Micah. 12-16 sa score natin. Ang magsiserve nasa ang kanto si Abby Maranyo. Ando sa dulo. Nice ding. Morada off speed. Ruby de Vanadera alanganin. Pinaluan.
Diego Morada once again.
Hot streak shooter yan eh.
And umpisa pa lang you could feel na yung nandun siya na in the zone.
Kadalasan yan napag-uusapan player na yun. Di ba? Pagka sa television yan, una na pag-usapan yan. And Abby, oh boy, my fault. Naging kapitana ng Lasal yan. Alam niya,
Oh yes.
alam niyang maging leader.
And may yun yung sana sasabihin ko, hindi lahat pwede maging leader.
Pero ito, natural. You know, some people misunderstand her actually. Mayabang ang down. Ako hindi. Ako sa panuro.
Well, Meralco now with 9 attack points. PLDT having 11.
Shakey's V-League is powered by Motolite Battery pang matagalan. Na rin hindi ikaw ang pinag-uusapan dyan.
Kawawa talaga. And that's a long one
18-14.
for Meralco.
Lahat sa atin, alam mo naman si Norin, siya yung medyo poised talaga na hindi sasabog. Pagka napigot sa atin, yeah, right. In the meantime, unreachable, Misao. Staring down the wire, and she was disappointed it was in her way. 14-19, time to again listen in.
Hindi tayo magkatrabaho. Ha? Ang dami nating sinasayang service error. Ha? Na-receive, hindi pa umaabot sa setup natin. So may hirapan tayo. Matake. Kung ang receive natin, mabilis na wala pang direksyon. Taas-taas lang muna natin. Hindi natin kailangan magmadali. 5 puntos lang ang kalamangan ng nalaban. Kailangan natin isa-isa rin. Hindi makukuha sa isang malakas na palo yan. O kailangan natin mag-focus muna doon sa gagawin natin.
Fight. Let's see if it revs them up. They're behind by 5, and Suzanne Roses is all set to serve. Good start by the starting lineup of PLDT. It goes to Sultones, and it stays down. 2014 as PLDT can't do anything wrong here in the first set. Don't forget that if it's Fun Family Pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's.
Baliktad naman ang Meralco, bright spot, yung mga puntos ni Morada so far. At ayan, katulad niyan, yung quick hit ni Owano, nakagagawa niya rin yan kanina. So, these are the things that they can really build up on. Mga palo ni Mercado.
Pero na-notice ko sa timeouts, Brian was worried about the reception really. Couldn't get the ball in play nicely. But look at this. Power at full display.
Natatawa tuloy si Ruby sa kanya dahil napakalakas ng braso.
Hindi ba usapan din yung kailangan ganun kalakas? Diba? Pero pinaluan talaga. In the meantime, so Benting, ito yung mga X-Factors, De Venadera moving out. And let's go with the serve of Benting. Misao. This is rejected. Recycled.
Ang ganda ng blocking ng PLDT.
And that's where you need Charo Soriano as your second blocker. Roses. Long rally, the longest. Mercado.
Oh, and that
Inside.
goes in. Right whack in the middle of Angela Benting and Luan Latigay. Let's look at it once again. Gitang-gitna. Kinino yun.
Sabi ni Benting, not mine, over my shoulder. Owano. Misao. Mercado.
Oh, Mercado.
Two in a row.
Going down the line.
And PLDT beginning to referee the game. Ladies, alam mo naman, galing umirap ng mga ladies but they don't get something from the reps naman pag sila umirap.
No words, di ba?
Wala.
But you get the message.
Makuha ka sa look.
Oh, yun. Talent ng babae yan. Walang words.
Ayan. Sultanes says, rep. Tayo mo kung bigyan tawag. Sige.
Ito na lang.
Ito na lang. Latigay in. Antone darts out. Here's Sultanes. The power source. Misao. Maranyo. Ruby. Power!
Oh, the tag goes long. Alam mo yung, nakikita ko yung tiwala ni Ruby De Leon kay Gretchen sa Tones. Napakalaki.
Minsan iniintindi siguro ni Sultanes sa gabi. Bakit kaya sobrang lakas ko, no? Sorry ako.
Depende yan kung may isip niya. Siguro tignan muna natin ano bang kinakain ito sa...
Umaga nga. Latigay is root.
As well read by Meralco.
And they're beginning to tap at the door. Roger Gorayab will try to regroup the troops.
Wala namang padiin eh. Basta kakalo ka kasi dire-diretso. Hindi mo lang ibabawal. Huwag nyo padikitin at medyo wala nganin pa yung score. Pero lamang tayo ha. Pero hindi pwede mga palo, ganun lang. Pag sinabing palo, yung palo, yung bota, hindi yung palo.
Here's that roof on Latigay. Bang! Right into the waiting hands of Misao. Meralco always brings along a troop of people from the office to cheer on the team. Huh?
Alam mo, nakakatuwa. I really love that they have their banners and alam mong mga galing office.
At saka Meralco has had a sporting tradition.
Right. Totoo naman.
Through the years.
Lalo na ngayon.
Lalo na ngayon, they refurbished their gym actually. Boom, Misao. And Maranyo playing patty cake with the volleyball in the middle. That ends up nowhere.
Minsan nakikita ko pa nga si Boss Al Panlilio around watching. Sa pagka-busy, will come here to support.
Quite a basketball player himself. In the meantime, the serve of Ruby De Leon. Misao jumps to it. And Cortowang partially rejected. Here's Latigay, adjusts. Tracked down by Mercado in the back row. And wisely, si Cortowang hindi nga bibilit niya. Runner!
Good job there by Parada.
Hala, sige. Puro isang kamay ginagamit. Roses.
Long rally here.
Long guess dito. Paluan nila Tigay dahil inabot lang. Bukas ang tapos nito.
Alam mo, Seb, kasi
Alam mo,
nung 2 years old,
actually,
nung 2 years old ako.
Ganun na.
They thought it was going, the referee will call a violation. Tumigil eh. Tumigil, akala double violation. Nakatingin na sila lahat sa referee. Until you hear the whistle.
Oh, you don't stop. It's set point, ladies.
Sayang na sayang yun for Meralco.
Now, consultation by PLDT. They want to be sure who's serving. You can do that.
Right,
You
because
can
it's
do
set
that.
point already.
You don't want to give away a point. It's a good... Roger naman on the other side. Dapat alam niyo yun. Well, I the coaches remember that. Charo missing completely.
Miss hit.
Yung mga coaches, they know where the rotation is going.
No, kasi ano yun eh, meron kang kadiagonal mo. Diba? Tapos alam mo yung katabi mo. Yun lang, alam mo na kagad eh.
Saka alam mo
Ano pa? Ano ka? Open hitter ka ba? Quicker ka ba?
Sue Roses, it's still alive. Ruby says, let's try this. Let's go back to Sue. Why not? Why not? And PLDT hanging on. 25-20 is the final count at the end of the first set. Could be a challenge for Meralco here as we survey our shaky shake and play. Back in a moment with your second set. Options ni Ruby De Leon, she could go Soriano, Roses, here, there, and everywhere. This is the battle for third. The winner here, if PLDT wins, they go home with a bronze medal, Mosey.
That's correct. If Meralco wins, hahaba pa tayo.
Hahaba pa tayo. That, of course, depends on the course of, or the journey of the real finals. It poses some interesting scheduling challenges. In the meantime, this is the energy Meralco had at the top of the first set, but it waned, it ebbed, really disappeared towards the end when their reception just, deserted them. Samantala, here comes Misao, their Japanese setter, guest player. From the middle we go.
That was dug up well.
Steph Mercado. Si Pantone.
Yun din yung siguro yung kailangan matutunan ng Meralco because yung mga pahulog-hulog nila, kanina pa nakukuha ni Pantone. Parang it's just taking it easy. So, maybe yung hulog wag na lang masyado pumunta ron.
And you have to understand yung mga saan ba si Pantone? Adamson din yan, di ba?
No.
And you have to understand from players who used to play for Adamson, parang kang humahampas sa pader.
Right.
Parang kang nag-walling yan.
Kumbaga yung floor defense, dyan sila praktisado.
Eliza Valdez used to tell me, that's the hardest opponent. Ay, naku, Charos.
Oh, but a net violation called by referee Efren Ga.
Well, Abby says that's life.
Move on lang.
Move on lang. This is a sport that teaches you move on very quickly. And in the meantime, Ruby De Leon will move on and forget about that particular serve. It's 3-1 in favor of Meralco. As I remind you about Shakey's, if it's Fun Family Pizza, it's got to be Shakey's.
Well, Mercado now with 4 points, along with Morada, Uwano, and Cotruang, 2 each. Sa kabila naman, Soltones with 6, Roses with 5, Soriano with 4.
I remember you very distinctly saying that you felt that Ruby De Leon was really going to Soltones, and it's reflected in the stats.
Yes. At ang ganda, 5 si Sue, and si Soriano with 4 points.
Uy, nangiti si Sue Roses. Tandaan niyo po itong araw na ito, ngumiti po si Sue Roses. Bihira ngumiti yan.
Nainis siya kasi tumama pa din sa tape ng net.
Hindi ganun kalinis. 2-3. Ang bilang Axel po ang ating official outfitter dito sa Shakey's Relay. 2-3 count. Reyes. Nice hit. Huli.
Sayang yun because yung talo ni Morada, she was really way up in the air.
Pero bantay eh. Nabantayan ni
Sarado.
Ni Latigay at saka ni Roses. Napasigaw sila sa tuwa nun eh. Iba pa rin yung delight ng puto at black, ano?
Iba
yung...
Parang sa basketball dunk, pero pareho lang naman 2 points, diba? Pero iba yung may dunk. Iba yung na-dunk mo.
Cargado ang tira ni Morada, playable. Itinulak ni Latigay. Itinaas ni Misao. Alanganin, hinok. Tinaas ni Ruby De Leon. Tapik sa likod.
Good save.
Ito, second longest rally. Pinalo ng mabahagya. Cargado.
And Morada finally gets that point.
Kung porsyento sila kay Morada, no? Gagawa silang puntos dito.
Look at that. Morada trying to go down the line.
I mean, we have Meralco ahead 4-3. They lost the first set to PLDT. Pantone, nice combination. Recycling the offense. Latigay, long.
Not enough spin on that cross-court hit by Luan.
And Luan says, mea culpa, kasalanan ko po. Mikasa ang ating official ball dito sa Shakey's Philly. With a new face on the floor for... Oh, and it's right in front of her. Let's double check. Number 3 is De Guzman.
Concon.
Concon. Nice nickname. And the serve. Latigay. Reyes checking her footing. Mercado. Nice reach by Abby Maraño. The push by Morada. Tinaas ni De Leon.
Oh, that's just a big hole on the side of Meralco.
Okay, this is another thing I will never understand. Yung tawa pagkatapos ng ganun. If you're on the other side, iinis ka.
Natawa pa kayo doon.
Natawa pa kayo.
Oh.
And the serve has not been the best friend of Luan Latigay this afternoon. 6-5 po ang bilang natin. Second set action. Morada all set to serve. De Leon lifts it up. Nice pick up by Maraño. Abby keeping it in play. Recycled offense. Mercado. Tinaas ni De Leon. Medyo alanganin. Bang! Nice pick up by Reyes. Wala na. Masyado malayo.
Ang ganda ng rally na yun. I like that kasi ang daming kumbaga ad-libs in the effort na nakita.
Ito yung part of the game na medyo utak ang gagamitin mo. Ito wala na sa rehearsal to. Ito yung medyo skills na ang iiral dito. Yung sa exchange na yun. 7-5 ang ating kasalukuyang score. Nasa GMA News TV po kayo. Magandang hapon po sa inyo lahat. Huli! Buhay pa po ang bola. Itinaas ni Penetrante. Palo si Steph. Yes!
Oh, and Steph once again swiping it away.
Steph Mercado is in a row.
Tayo at mag-enjoy lang tayo dito sa game. 7 Mosey.
Tingnan natin kung patuloy nila yung pag-enjoy nila. Lamang sila 8-5. Sultones. And boy, Misao unable to handle the power.
Just too much power at that Sultones hit. Tumagos sa blockers ng Meralco.
Nararamdaman ko, init na init si Misao dito. Napawisan talaga.
Napapawisan pa doon sa palo ni Sultones.
Oo, mismo. Mercado.
Oh!
Araw niya!
And Steph Mercado. Drilling it in.
Going to town. Watch this. She's scoring almost at all angles. Bang! Right there. That's what you want. You want to see Abby Maraño cheering for you. 9-6 is the count sa panahon ng tagulan, iwasan ng dengue. Lion Tiger Katolang gamitin. Proudly, Philippine made. Lap. Oh, Vanadera.
And si Ruby De Leon, credit half that point to her. Yun yung kanina sinabi natin sa malalaki, may sinusubo yung bola. That's just what Ruby did.
And the facial expression of the Vanadera is still the same. That's her game face. Yun na po yan. Misao in a joust. Sultones.
Oh!
Jackie? Jen Reyes wants to hide.
That's right. And there was just too much distance between Jen and Owano.
And that's why napakime sila. Ay. Dumikit na ito ulit PLDT. Mercado. Tinaas. Hindi Vanadera. Suroses. Pick up. Maraño, Palibus. De Leon. Sultones, hello inside. Tabla tayo.
Sultones this time going cross-court.
Sinabihan ko siya, sabi ko. Uy, sabi ni Coach Roger, nilalagnat daw siya. Bilisan niyo daw. Natawa na lang. 9-all. Shakey's Wheelie is powered by Motolite battery pang matagalan. Isao. Nice set for Maraño. One lift will do it, but it's way out of reach. 10-9 po ang bilang natin. Mercado. Lydia De Vega's little girl is no longer a little girl.
Ako, hindi na nga.
Mana niya yung height ng mami niya, no? Ooh! My
Oh,
name
great
is...
save!
Oo.
Isao with a hook.
Sakala ko, sasabihin ng Ruby De Leon, my name is Ruby De Leon. Coltones. Init ang ulo ng bata ngayon itong araw na to. Yeps daw? Hindi pa niya nagustuhan?
Parang hindi pa.
Talaga no, ang laro to, ang good feeling talaga yung tusok, baon. Nakatakot ang laro to talaga. Tabla sa G's.
Oh, so Tony sends it into the net.
And Roger Garcia just couldn't look.
Ayun niya makita siguro yung smile ni Gretchen.
Ruby De Leon issues that set to Soriano. Marano. Pick up by Pantone. De Leon. Benting contributes. Pantay tayo sa 11. And this has been a fiercely fought second set. PLDT home Telpad hoping to establish a clear advantage in the set. Napalundag si Steph doon.
Ruby De Leon getting that point.
Shakey's for Fun Family and Pizza. It's got to be Shakey's.
Oh, nice serve. That was really nice.
And suddenly it's 2 in a row off the serve. 13-11. Brian Esquivel has seen enough. They had the lead, the momentum, but it's gone.
Over natin muna si Steph. Ha? Kasi yun ang nagiging problema natin yung kasi tago ka rin sa dulo. Doon ka sa dulo magpa-target. Ha? Jen, over. Tara. Ikaw na kumuha ng first ball dyan.
Wala. Pakita lang natin ha. 1 point na natin.
Here's that ace.
Ganda eh.
Oh, ganda, no?
Akala mo hindi tatama, hindi mag-over sa net.
And I think this is a different version.
Oh?
Ah, yun eh.
Diba?
Ay, pareho. Tusok. Sumalok pa baba. Bang! In the meantime, action resumes. 13-11. PLDT home Telpad already with the upper hand. Nisao goes to Marano. One-handed roll-up. Parang nagbalot ng sushi sa Pantone. 14-11 count. Reyes, regalo, hindi nakita ni Angie. Walang pwesto. And looked out, but wala, down the line.
Down the line. Si Ruby pa rin. Diba?
Nakatira na yata si Ruby dyan. 15-11.
Yung Meralco, matagal silang magkaroon ng solusyon, di ba? Dun
Good
sa
point.
nangyayari sa loob. That's why siguro hindi rin sila makakuha pa ng set dito sa PLDT.
That's a valuable observation because, you know, this game is a game of constant adjustments. Bitin yung palo. Might as well take it this way. And Murado says, oh boy, ang hirap maghanap buhay.
At nagkatawa na lang doon ng PLDT dahil nilabanan nila sa net ang Meralco. Look at this.
Nag-agawan sa sampayan eh. Oh.
Ang hirap if you have Morada in front.
Wapoy's moment eh. 15-12. Process. Benting, her try. Nisao. Morada, huli. Pentante.
Oh, but Owano sending it into the net.
Alam mo kasi nakita niya bukas yung kanto. Yun ang nakita niya. Wala yung mata niya sa bola. Nangiktay. In the meantime, Morada. Morada at si Mercado.
Yes.
Ganda. Yes. Sayang. Sino itong nahulog?
Lane Roses.
Si Micah Morada din yung nahulog. Ganda ng effort ni Jen Reyes. Tingnan niyo ito.
But Sue Roses, solid hit.
Oo naman.
Coming from her down the line. Nakuha naman ni Jen eh. Nandun eh.
Wala sa pwesto yung follow-up sa second ball. 17-12, lamang ang PLDT home tail pad, Charo Soriano. Ang steady ng service ng PLDT.
Meralco now with 7 attack points. PLDT, 12 na.
And the Benadera missing completely. And it is now 13-17 as Meralco tries to wage some kind of comeback here. Regalo. Mercado. Dumped it over. They're within 3. De Leon. De Benadera.
De Benadera with that push.
And life goes on for De Benadera.
Dot.
She's, that's her game face. Ano siya, no? Seryoso all the way. Maranyo kicks it up.
Nice set.
Benting. Ano mo, underrated yung back row skills ni Benting na to keep the ball in play. De Benadera huli. Playable. Sayang.
Ruby De Leon was just trying to save it, pero not enough power. Send that across.
And we're now at 15-18 as Micah Morada is all set to serve for all of us. Yep, exacto. Pantone De Leon. Alanganin, hello.
Smart move. Mercado pushing it where nobody was there.
And Morada and Roger Gurayev is done playing around with this idea.
Sabi natin chance ball, binigay lang natin yung binigay sa kanila yan. Pinapahirapan yung sarili nila. Nakagawa naman natin yung gusto natin mangyari. Tulad mo sa papalo ka nun. Kanina ko pa sinasabi sa'yo. Sinusuntok mo yung bola eh. Ba't pa ganun ang palo mo? Tapaas mo lang naman. Ganun yung tapos na yan. Magbabayaan yan. Ayaw naman natin eh.
Look at that. And I think this is illustrating what Roger Garayev was pointing out. Parang hilaw yung palo ng girls niya kuminsan eh. Hindi nila mabaon eh. Kasi yun ilang chance ball daw yung binigay sa Meralco. Micah Morada.
Yung mga team na katulad ng Meralco, yan yung huwag mong bibigyan ng chance. Koite.
Lalo na ngayon, wala pang panalo yan.
Yeah, gutom.
Oo, 19-16.
Sa manalo. But you say, ang ganda nilalaro ni Sue in this game, ha?
May mga panalo na silang set eh. Pero wala, hindi talaga maitawid. Out of reach.
Sue tried to go after that ball, pero masyado rin malayo.
Ako, mahaba ako, matakad ako, pero tao lang.
Masyado naman malayo.
Masyado naman malayo. 17, 19. Owano. Huli sa Saltones.
Kombinasyon yun, pero ang ganda ng basa ng Meralco.
Well done on a cross court.
And there you go. Because of that good read of Meralco, they were able to run that play.
Ryan Esquivel is trying to perk up his team. Voice operated from the sideline. They're within a point. Cross court. Long. We're tied.
A long one. Rachel asking for a line ball. Di daw.
I'm not surprised may Meralco employees tayo dito. They're just one GT ride away. If you think about it.
Malamang.
Itataas. Bang!
Gretchen this time making sure she got that point.
And I see Maru Banatikla seeing action for the first time, pulling out the Banadera. Just a bit of a shuffle by Roger Gorayan, trying to get some more offense going. Hopefully we'll get it from Banatikla, who once played for UST.
Oh, what a save!
Any which way, ano? Huli.
And there you
And
go.
why not?
Diba? Dahil doon, Meralco was able to take the point.
It's not how great you are, but where you are. 20 all. This is not the largest crowd, but one of the noisiest, I must say.
That's true.
De Leon. Soltones.
Oh.
Pass.
Grabe lang talaga yung power ni Soltones.
Oh. Just a dynamo of power. This new player.
Taganas comes
Yes.
in. So, parang dalawang libero dun sa Meralco side. So, depensa ang focus ni Coach Brian.
Taganas ng FEU
Yes.
dati. Na pinsan ng Taganas ng Ateneo, no? Yata, no?
Yes. Si Patty ba yun?
Yes.
Si Patty Taganas. Ano na nga siya?
May last name niya siyang...
Yeah, foreign. Oo, foreign sounding. Friend ko sa Facebook.
Tinas ni Micah. Abby, sinundot. Jen Reyes trying to keep it in play. Micah, yes!
Oh, Morada down the line. Much to the delight of yung supporters nila dito sa loob na
may
arena.
banner pa yung Meralco Lady Spikers eh.
Tapos ang saya niya kasi pagbalik mo sa office the next day, yan yung kwentuhan, di
Yan
ba?
ang kwentuhan. Juanita is back in. So, Cotruang. And pulling Tonton de Guzman. Nakita na ni Cotruang yung laro. Sige, kailangan ng power ito eh. Tinaas ni Ruby. Benting. It's on the floor.
Si Ruby, naalala mo kanina, tagal ni Ruby dyan sa service line.
Tatlo, apat yata yan. Tingnan natin kung matatanganan niya na matagal ito. Paganas. Maranyo, out.
Oh, Maranyo. Wide on that attack.
Sabi niya, my fault. 2-point lead by PLDT home tilt pad. Brian Esquivel will call back the troops.
Sabihin natin, huwag mo pangigilan natin, relax lang ulit. Masyadong iniwas eh. Receive muna tayo. Receive muna tayo. Importante makapuntos tayo para makapag-play tayo. Receive muna. Misaw, you have three spiker. Make play for her. Okay?
Esquivel will be reminding Misao, his setter, you have three spikers. Max them out. They're down by 2. With the threat of being down 2-0. Taganas goes to Misao. Maranyo scores.
Yun, better execution this time.
Same play, no?
That's right. Ang ganda na. Yung kumpiyansa. Si Misao, binalik niya dun kay Abby by giving it to her once again.
Parang I have faith in you. I have
Sige,
faith in you.
bawian mo.
And Abby. Suzanne was a great defensive stand. We're tied at 23.
Right. Maganda yung bunot ni Coach Brian kay Taganas dahil naging solid yung likod niya. Maingay nga, tama ka.
Ilan lang ho yan. May kuryente pa ho kayo sa mga lugar nyo. Huwag kayong mag-alala. Ito ay nagpulong-pulong lang ang mga ito para maging masaya rito. Benting. Cotruang huli. Recycled offense. Balik kay Cotruang.
Oh, and credit yung organized play ng Meralco on that last one.
Samantala, ang PLDT home tail pad biglang behind by 1.
Kung saan ka po pwesto dito Bakit nandun sa may parting gitna? Dito yung pumapalo, may bumablock. Adjust ka kagad dito. Tapos yung bola, mataas pa. Hindi ka muna tumakbo. Ang gagawin mo, iuunat mo yung kamay mo, gaganyan mo. Habitan mo ba yan? May block naman tayo eh. May block tayo, may opensa tayo, kumpleto tayo. Problema, hindi nga tayo kumikilos sa likod eh. Galawan nyo ng galawan doon sa likod.
Here's a pair of replays that you will enjoy as bang right into the open spot. And look at Juanita. She has time to direct traffic.
Yun eh, yung pinoint out natin kanina, yung organized yung last play na yun. That's why they were able to score that point.
And it is set point for Meralco. Kept in the air by Taganas, who's playing like a libero actually. De Leon. Maranya, nagmadali. They want a chance to score. Finish the set, but it's still in play. De Leon, Roses. Taganas, out of reach.
Sayang yun. Taganas was there, but no one there for the second ball.
Boy, they really fought for their lives there. We're tied at 24. It's been an afternoon of relatively close sets, really.
Especially mga first sets natin.
Yeah. Soriano. Morada. Outside. It'll be set point to the other side. For the other side.
So it was close to the net. Si Morada was just trying to save it. Pero hirap talaga pag yung nandun ka sa net na tapos malapit pa sa antena.
Oo, lahat ng...
Sort of parang nasa corner ka yung
dami mo iniisip nun eh. Parang nagdadrive ka, umaatras ka, nagpa-park ka.
Tapos sakto-sakto lang dapat. And then Contra Juan says, wait a minute.
I'm not interested in traffic zones. I want to score a win here on this set. Mercado is in for Taganas. Taganas gets a good hand from her teammates.
She was very effective inside.
She was steady in the back row. De Leon. Lusot. And when in doubt, go to Suzanne Roses.
Totoo, and especially today. Ang ganda-ganda ng nilalaro ni Sue.
Ruby De Leon is in her mind saying, porsyento na to. Huwag na natin pakagalin to.
Do you expect her to go to Sue or kay Soltones?
It is inside. Inside check ball.
Morada getting that point. Now going to the line.
Boy, an exchange of set points. 26 apiece now. Reyes. Mercado. De Leon. Huli.
Nahuli na. Dahil yun na nga yan. Malamang napupuntahan ni Ruby either si Sue or si Gretchen.
And if you play volleyball, you know that being blocked is part of the game. 26, 27, 27 has the set point now. Huli.
Nice save by Angela Benting.
Becomes a nice set. Mercado. It's over. Second set goes Meralco's way. Long second set at 28-26. And Roger Gorayev with a slow walk to the other side of the floor as we check out our shake and play. Back in a moment with your third set. Sila nung second set din eh,
Tama.
No?
Bandang huli na lang lumamang naman ng Meralco. This time, nakita naman natin steadier plays coming from Meralco. At ang naging rason doon, malaking rason for me, yung pagpasok ni Taganas.
No? Parang na-lift yung team. Sometimes all you need is a player who hasn't been used to lift you up, and you need yung mga X-factor players na mag-o-offer talaga ng Energy.
Naging maayos yung first balls nila.
Oo,
Kasi nga,
oo,
of course,
oo, good
Taganas
point.
is also a libero. So,
Oo nga pala.
naghatid siya ng magagandang bola sa kanila setter. So, dalawa sila ni Jen Reyes. Imagine that.
Oo, kaya maganda yung abot ng bola. So, eto na po, papasok ang third set. Ang usapan ho rito, battle for third. Lamang ang PLDT home tail pad dahil sila nanalo nung unang magtagpo ang dalawang to. Tingnan natin kung ma-i-extend ng Meralco ang series to o magkaroon ng chance maging third. Kargado. Yung Murata talaga nung araw pa malakas talaga papalo.
Lakas talaga na palo.
Hinabol ni Murata. Naging set. Nicely done. But manageable. Benting returns the favor. Misao sets up otro. Wow!
Dog up well by Saldones.
Benting, sabi niya, ako naman.
Nandun din si Mercado.
Wala, bukas na naman ito. Quick, lumako ni Charo.
Yung ganda naman ng pagkakaset na yun. And Morada answering to that back set of Misao. Taking that point.
Regardless of nationality, when it's something to laugh about, something to smile about. And you see the smile on Misao's kita mo expression.
At pati yung mga employees ng Meralco, tuwag-tuwa rin. May cheer sila, ha? Mukhang practice pa.
Ayun, tapos binatawag lahat yung mga kakalat-kalat doon sa taas. Hoy, tabi-tabi tayo. Hello? Hello?
Oh,
Hello?
Good
Hi!
job there! Mercado is able to send it across and ang nagulat din ng BLDT. Look at that.
In the meantime, ayun, yung nakita-kita nyo sa likod, yung maingay na yun, may banner na yun. Kukunan natin uli mamaya yan kasi sila yung maingay rito eh. Sila yung masaya eh.
Masaya talaga. Oh, yeah. Ang dami ng errors ng PLDT.
Sobra.
Ang dami. Ayan na. Kaya tuwang-tuwa.
Yun, walang pakialam. Kung naka-office wear siya, may kurbata pa siya, wala siyang pakialam.
Walang pakialaman. Ganun talaga.
Benting inside.
Angela
the first point of PLDT home tail pad.
That's right. And with the help of the net, gets it.
Alam mo, yung grupong yun, pagkatapos nyo rito, punta kayong Shakey's. Fun
Yan.
Family Pizza. It's got to be Shakey's.
Yan ang tama.
Yan, ang lapit, Shakey's Green Hills.
That's
Maranyo for you. Don't give Abby a reason to rev up the crowd. She will just get to play better.
That is so true. Misao now with 19 excellent sets. Ruby De Leon, 39.
Wow. Kasi marami silang puntos. Mahaba rin yung first set kasi, di ba? Kaya ang daming puntos. Di ba? 36-34 nga isa. And then, Abby wastes her serve. And she is the first to acknowledge pag masama, no? Axel is the official outfitter of the Shakey's Village. Saka tuturo niya yung sarili niya. Mali ako eh.
My bad,
my bad. Here's Charo Soriano, her version of the serve. Ooh, just above the net. Cotruang. Out.
Cotruang had the right thing in mind, pero wide. Wide yung pagkakalagay ng bola.
Siguro by a foot siguro. 4-3 and 3 serving against 4.
Magulang maglaro si Cotruang.
Diba? Tama yung obserbasyon niya. May gulang no? May smart Hello, kung kayo magkagulo kayo dyan. Tinaas, Benting, hahabulin, ando si Charo. May ganun din tira pala si Charo, no?
Nicely done.
May tirang puto rin pala si Charo. Gotcha. Totoo ba to? Hindi na nagbago yung playing rate ni Charo, no? From college, May taong mabilis yung metabolism talaga eh.
Oo. Yan yung mga kinaiinisan ko actually.
Okay. Ayun na naman yung tira.
Leon. That's the way to go. Pag magbibigay ka free ball, yan ang pagbigay ng free ball.
Butasan mo.
Oh, hanapin mo naman, pahirapan. Huwag lang free.
Huwag yung free ball.
Libre naman na makakapag-run sila ng
Yung
play.
lulutang-lutang na madaling paluin o madaling kunin. Mikasa, ang ating official ball dito sa Shakey's Village. Misao.
And Morada, even with the miss it, ang lakas pa rin.
Parang kuko yung tumama no? Ayun, no?
Lakas pa rin
You and I know, at least sa basketball, pag tumama sa labong kay keeper at keeper, masakit yun no? Pero ito, medyo, yung volleyball, kaya pa yan Nice set. Soltones. Process. Good wind up. Misao, sabi niya, alanganin to, suntukin ko na lang.
Save. With a chance for Meralco.
Nice set. Hala? In every which way pinapalo ito.
Matira matibay as Suroses goes for a cross-court hit. Finally.
I am going to suspect that ang bahay ni Suros is maayos. I am going to suspect and speculate. Kasi pag nagkakagulo, gusto niya matapos ka agad Linisin agad. Lakas. Hindi.
Try to ask for a check, no go.
Hindi.
Maureen, pleading her case.
Si Maureen parang,
please,
no.
With a shift of momentum during the last set, he pointed out their 16-11 lead that ended to a loss. Sabi niya, wag kumpiyansa hanggang sa umabot sa 25 ang puntos. They should keep their head in the game and don't lose focus. 7, Mosey.
A valuable insight because they were ahead in that second set. In the meantime, there's a traffic jam at the net. At talo sa joust ang Meralco. Pagka net battles, medyo hirap ang Meralco.
Minsan kasi yan, it boils down to experience. Katulad to, si Suhang na doon.
Mahirap kalaban yung gano'n. Huwag kakaligtaan sa panahon ng tagulan. Iwasan ng dengue. Lion Tiger, katalang gamitin. Proudly, Filipino. Is it in the corner? Yes, it is.
Ito na naman. Morada again. This time, yun nga, nahanap ang corner. This is zone 1 ng PLDT. Ito na yung practice cheer ng
Meralco. Glad you're with us with Mosi Ravena and Ira Pablo, and that is right there where they want it. And Roger Gurayan, boy, I'm going to count his white hairs as it grows and increases with every passing mistake.
Morada.
Buti na lang si Brian Esquivel, bata pa, hindi masyadong maraming puting buhok sa kanya.
Saan papunta yun?
Kuldod din yan Huwag kakaligtaan ng Shakey's League, Shakey's V-League rather, is powered by Motolite Battery, pang matagalan. In the meantime, Cotrowang says, you don't want it, I got it. Inabot. Pang! I well kept in play.
Ganda ng koneksyon.
Akala ng Meralco si Soltones ang papalo.
Yan ang dapat gawin ni Ruby kasi nababasa na rin na yung kombinasyon always ends up with a Soltones or with Suroses. So, kailangan ibigay niya rin sa iba.
Ganda ng balasag niya.
Make De Manadera a threat also.
Okay, that's a great point. Missing badly. Medyo nanggigigil ang Meralco. Brian Esquivel will try to calm down the troops.
Tumakbo ka rito, pag iniwan mo ka, kailangan natin mag-adjust muna sa receive. Misaw, kaning, give M, B, kaning, B. Okay? Come on.
We're going to take it from 12-7 as Sue Roses will be serving. This is the battle for third place here in the reinforced conference of the Shakey's V-League. We went 3 conferences this year. We had the collegiate, the open, and now the reinforced one-handed pickup by Drexel Soltones, who's doing a little of everything here today, Moses.
That's true.
Misao is caught.
Still playable though.
It still is alive, but that's the 4th touch.
That's right. Tumama na kasi. Sa umpisa pa lang, 2 touches na kagad.
Ang taas ng porsyento or ng percentage ni Sultones at Ruby de Leon. Pag binibigyan ni Sultones, most of the time, connect silang dalawa. Sue Roses has the same thing. In the meantime, Misao hooks it over. Nice fake on the set. Sultones with some power.
Oh, and Misao on the second ball. Yan ang kailangan gawin ni Misao. Yung mga change nila, yung mga adjustments na kailangan nang gawin.
I agree. Surprise the other side.
Uh-huh.
Estampa is going to see action for the first time. This is Royce Estampa. Shakey's League is powered by Motolite Battery pang matagalan. Yan po ang paboritong baterya ni Noel Zarate at saka ni Noringo. Sisikat yung dalawang yan.
Huh?
Penting.
Oh, that's a block point for Abby Maraño.
Eto na, Meralco. Kakatok-katok. Tumayo na si Roger Gurayev. Ayaw niya kasing nasasayang yung lead. Alam mo naman yung game na to, ang bilis mawala ng lamang eh.
Kaya nga siya nagagalit, di ba?
Okay, Benadera. Got it through. Not cleanly, but through. Yeah, I agree with Roger. Sinasabi niya sinusuntok daw yung bola, hindi connect na. Hindi
solid hit.
After that, Misao is still willing to work here.
Once again, going for the dump ball. Yan naman na. Strike while the iron is hot. Sige lang.
Ako tingin ko to si Misao converted.
Pwede.
Na?
Kasi matakad. Spiking setter siya eh. So pwede ngang naging spiker din siya dati.
Hala. Nakatulog sa pansitan ng PLDT Home Telpad. Somebody asked me, why do you say that? I don't know. That's the expression, di ba?
Nakatulog sa pansitan.
Tutulog yun, nahanap mo. Hala. Yung parang sabi ng matatanda, nakatulog sa pansitan.
Kasi di ba pag busog ka, naantok ka. So, pag kinain mo na lahat ng pansit,
yung Filipino style pa, isasabay ang bihon at kanin.
Diba?
Naku, carbo loading.
Carbo loading.
15-11. Pag kayo ni Mosi may nagsabi sa'yo, para tayo nasa bahay lang. Ganun ho ang objective namin na mag-enjoy kayo. Regalo! Ay! Inabot.
Oh, Taganas again inside for Coach Brian. Single block by Abby.
Alis kayo dyan. Papaluin natin si Angie. Taganas. Hindi lang naitas. Walang tao rin. Nauna sa technical timeout ulit. Nakakatulog sa pansitan.
Sa maknian.
Load up. Ang lively rin ng game, Yung both sides, hindi mo sasabihin, battle for third. Hello, Ruby.
Ayan na naman si Ruby. Nakakauntugan ng depensa ng Meralco pag ginagawa ni Ruby yan.
You took the word right out of my lips when I said nagkakauntugan. I wanted to say the same thing, but you beat me to the gun and it's so perfect. Kasi talagang nagkabuhol-buhol sila ron eh.
Kaya si Misao bumabawi na rin eh. Diba? Sabi niya, hindi naman pwedeng kulang. Gusto ko rin maguntugan dyan.
Maguntugan kayo dyan. Kwatuwang, may laman. Benting, gallops. Tinaas ni Reyes. Misao returns it to Kwatuwang.
Sultan is really doing a great job on defense. Angela Benting sends it wide.
And it becomes 17-12. Alam mo, sabi ni Greta Sultones, marunong ho ako niyang power. Meron din ho ako niyan. Para silang mga superhero sa Cobics nag-aaway.
Ganda ng depensa niya. Dami ng bid. So, Angela Benting, that's what you want from a veteran. Matapos magkaroon na error, bawi ka agad on the next point. At credit also Ruby De Leon, pinabawi naman siya. Binigyan siya ng chance to do that. Well, Meralco now having 6 attack points, PLDT having 11.
Oh boy, there lies the difference. And the score. Tinaas. Huli. At out. 13-18. Meralco still not yet out of this. Just need to hold on to their serve, actually.
Well, Reyes having 4 receives already. Si Pantone having 10.
Oh,
Si Reyes, 8 digs. Si Pantone, 15.
wow. Roses, yes, perfect, through the hole.
Yan na naman yung down the line ni Roses. Very risky, pero so effective. On a good day, daming
Unstoppable.
yung nasa-score dyan sa down the line hit.
Tusok eh. Mananahi siguro ito dati. Kasi lahat
Sa straight.
ng butas ng karayom lusot eh. Soriano. Oh, out of reach. One more for Charo.
Oh, and Benting getting that last point.
Kaya alam mo, magandang training sa volleyball ng maliit ka. Touch ball at saka agawan base.
Oo nga.
Di ba?
Laterals, no?
Makain tayo kay Brian Esquivel.
Konting sigla pa tayo. Sigla pa. Kailangan natin mailapit yung score eh. Dahan-dahanin uli natin. Gaya kanina. Di ba? Isa't isa. Isa't isa lang muna natin. So, tulong muna sa receive. Isa't sa kinisaw, ready sa atake. Ha? Domay ka. Ha?
Take a look at this. We're going to unfurl a pair of replays. That is Angela Benting ripping through Estampa's defense there. Yun, whip it good niya. Sabi ni Pare.
Tigo.
Dan. Yun. Bawal daw kumanta, no? Sabi nung... Bawal, ano? Sabi nung taga-GMA dyan. Okay, sige. In the meantime, the attack. Muffled by the defense. Benting. Touch ball. Check ball. 21 si Benting ang may score, ha?
Oh,
Ito yung X-Factor mo.
Right. Sa kabila, Morada din. Ang ganda rin ang nilalaro.
Pero mula nung pumasok si Angie, good things have happened for PLDT home field pad. The Turbo Boosters are ahead, 21-13. Long. Shakey's, if it's fun, family, and pizza, it's got to be Shakey's. Ruby De Leon gives the signal. I have a sneaky idea where she's going. Yep, there she goes. Huli.
Nahuli. Tama.
That's why I knew I sent information Nabasa rin ng Meralco
At si Estampa, every time nilalagay siya ni Coach Brian sa harap, ang laki ng diferensya. She really is so good at the net.
And you know, because you know that the Venadera is not going to go open. So what's the next best thing? You've got Roses in front. 22-15, however. Benting to serve. Nice and easy. Misao. The dig by Mercado, who's been quite silent of late. Oh, tusok yan. Sultanes, a little of everything.
That's right. Sultanes, open hit, easy taking.
Back row, marami siyang ginagawa itong araw nito.
Yung digs.
Yung depensa niya. Benting, same easy serve. Misao. Block but out.
Morada using the blockers of PLDT.
(23-16) and 16 rather will be serving against 23. Benting kneels down. The Venaderas sticks it to them. Nice block, but still playable. Misao lifts it up. Nice cross court, but muffled. That is gone.
Once again, Estampa with a single block gets that point. Ganda ng timing nitong bata And bukod sa matangkad pa siya, look at that. Turns that quick hit.
Her profile on Facebook says blocker.
Alaga naman.
23-17. I have no idea. I'm just guessing, but and what? Suddenly, it's set point. Ganun lang. And Suddenly, the enthusiastic Meralco crowd just quieted down for a while. Lifted up. Soltones. Misao.
Oh, and Mercado off the block.
Yun naman hindi na maabot ni Pantone. Malayo na yun.
Oo. Napakagaling na niyan. Masyado nang malayo.
Saka gusto ko kay Pantone, marunong biskat na hindi siya masasaktan.
Yeah, may yan. There is really parang practice on how you fall down.
Parang judo yan
Yes. Right. Oh, Mercado once again.
Suddenly, Roger Correa says, sandali! Set point na tayo
I-compose yung sarili ninyo. Isang puntos na lang tayo. Isang magandang receive. Pag pina-atake ka doon sa gitna, tingnan mo, dahil wala naman silang aabangan, alam naman nilang pupunta ka sa gitna, tingnan mo yung papaluan mo. Naintindihan? Kung papalo ka at tatlo yung bumlak sa'yo, mag-isip ka. Ha?
Tayo po yung nasa set point at lamang ng PLDT home tail pad. Tabla tayo sa set count. Tingnan natin kung masasara na yung pintura ito. Tumaim out si Roger Gureyev.
Oh. Error on that attack.
Nababasa na si Di Benadera. 24-20. Estampa has been a bit of a lucky charm here. Just like Taganas. Long, tapos. Yun lang ang masakit doon. But give her credit for trying to keep the flame alive for them.
That's correct. And yun lang yung isang pagkakamaling yun. Now, 2 sets up ng PLDT.
And trying to secure third place with a set win in the last one. Shaky play. We'll be back.
Yun ang nagiging problema siguro sa Meralco. Hindi as fast. Hindi sila nakaka-react right away dun sa kailangan nilang i-adjust. Although si Coach Brian, you could see that he sent in Taganas, he also sent in Estampa. So he's trying to give his own remedy. Pero
Umuhugot siya ng malalim na ngayon sa bench niya. Sumusubok siya ng bagong energy and he hopes that the team will equalize here para umabot naman ng 5 sets ito. Baka siguro para makahabol tayo doon sa competition.
Tsaka ipaglaban din yung bronze medal, di ba?
At saka sayang, may mga kaibigan ng mga kasama nila sa Meralco. Sayang naman ang pagbisita nila. Gusto na rin nilang suklian yung kanilang panahon na in-spend dito. Nawapoy si Abby Maranyo doon. It's in the air. De Guzman's back in the game. What is happening here? Ross's tiptoes.
De Guzman once again adjusted, tried to go cross-court pero just too much.
Yan bang cross-court, Mosi? Ay really gamble ba yan? From that angle?
Well, hindi naman talaga because it's just really looking where the weakness of the opponent is. So you can either go down the line or cross-court or yung sa gitna ng back row, yan yung mga, di ba, yung malalayo yung depensa.
So a lot of the times kasi nangyayari, both that cross-court shot from that close angle seems to go and sail out. In the meantime, Morada has to track it down. Rosses says, let's make it playable. Hala, nabura si Morada. Ruby De Leon was adjusting the... Nagbabali yata ito si Morada no?
May recital.
Pass they do.
That was close to net.
Pass nyo muna. Yan. Sabi ni De Guzman hindi makuha.
Kanina, we discussed that already. Yung mga hulog nila, di ba? Yung hulog nanggagaling sa Meralco. Hindi masyadong pwede. Si Pantone nakaabang.
Oo, best of the conference. In the meantime, Shakey's for Fun Family Pizza. It's got to be Shakey's.
Well, partner, Morada and Mercado, 14 points na. Maraño with 7. Roses on the other side has 19. Soltones with 14. Benting with 7.
3-1 is the count as Ruby De Leon pushed that outside. Don't forget that Axel is the official outfitter of the Shakey's League. Here we go with Misao serve. Itinaas ni De Leon. Roses, binalik sa kanya. Ciao, Soriano.
Nicely done.
Ate.
Ganda ng connection.
Parang siguro sabi ni Sultanes, ate, ang ganda mo. Diba? Ganun young people talk that way.
Haba ng hair.
Ang ganda mo. yung line yan, I love it because it's either derogatory or positive. You're positive. Diba pag-asar ka sa kaibigan mo,
Ganda?
oy, ang ganda-ganda mo. The best I saw that was Lotlot delivered that line in a Sarah Geronimo movie.
Oh, diba?
Nagwawala yung Sarah, ang ganda mo.
Oo.
Pag tayo
Panood ko rin yan.
Eto na, reality check. 2-4, behind na naman ang Meralco. Puro.
Oh, and
Malayo naman si Abby mo na masyado.
Try to save it.
Galing siya.
Guliman inside also for Coach Roger Gorayev. Nag-adjust din si Coach Roger, ha? Depensa sa net. Ang gusto.
Gusto kasi para mamatchan yung istampa kung babalik. Ano, ha? Sige na, para matapos at gusto niya umuwi. Huli. Owano sets it up for Morada. Nice track down. Battle at the net. Soltones pushes it out.
Soltones sumusubok humuli ng kamay pero wala. Walang nahuli.
Mikasa, the official ball of the Shakey's Relay. De Guzman and her serving play. Misao goes to Morada. Little tough set to work with, but they scored.
Morada just doing everything.
Because they haven't gotten much out of Cotrowang here today.
Totoo.
They're getting dividends from Morada, really. Cotrowang kasi nonchalant eh. Hindi mo alam kung interesado siya sa ginagawa niya eh. Nag-aantay lang ng palo eh. Malamig itong bata. Malamig.
It's a bit low for her. Yan ang mahirap din naman sa quick hit na yan. Dali, adjust mo yan. Depende sa laki ng hit-hitter mo.
Wala pa kayong rhythm together in the game eh. So De Leon and De Leon mess it up and we're tied at 5. De Leon up in the air.
Oh, Soltones.
Soltones was worried that she would cross over. In the meantime, there's a collision as Morada limps away. The usual first solution to a bit of a sprain, tapadyak niya.
Pagpag.
Pagpag is the better word.
Ano yun? Parang dumikit-dikit uli? Ano ba yun?
No. Never works really, regardless of sport. But everybody tries it.
Lahat, diba? Even in basketball, you will always see that.
Mercado is foiled, but she gets back at them. Goes the other way. Foiled up in play. De Leon says, akin ba iyo? In the meantime, we play on. In the air, Misao.
Oh!
Jen Reyes in the fold. Mercado. Huli!
Yun yung mahirap kay Ruby because dalawa lang yung spikers niya ngayon. You have Soltones and you have Guliman. So, pag hindi maganda ang first ball, alam na kagad nila kay Soltones.
Obvious. That's why ngayon, pinasok muna si Banatikla for Soltones. Konting balasa, konting change.
Para mapaisip yung kabila kung hindi na ibibigay.
Kay Banatikla. Mercado whips it.
Sunod pa lang ng bola, alam mo na check.
And it is now 7-6 as Meralco enjoys the lead. Sa panahon ng tagulan, iwasan ng dengue, Lion Tiger Katola gamitin proudly, Philippine made. De Leon. Jan Reyes. Misao says, I got it. Nicely done by Guliman. Mercado. Pantone is there, calm and poised. Dink by Banaticla. Owano says, keep it up, guys. Third longest rally. De Leon, Maraño, Misao, Mercado. Sounds like a law firm.
Hindi nag-work in double ni Derby that time.
Nabase.
Oh, ang ganda ng pagkakaset.
Yes!
At hindi naman siya pinahiya ni Mercado.
Ganda ng set, eh.
Ganda ng set.
First technical timeout of the fourth. Back in a moment.
Coach Brian told his players to improve on their communication inside the court, and that's exactly what they did in this set. He told them to avoid big leads kasi mahirap na siyang habulin at the end of a set. He encouraged Reyes to perform better with her receives. Hindi daw sila makapuntos kung walang magandang receive. Tibayan dapat ang coverage at depensa at unti-unti silang babawi. Seven Mosley.
And exactly as you were speaking, Ira Pablo, that was exactly what happened on the floor as Owano had a nice rejection and a roof on that last attempt. Ibanadera's back in, pulling out Guliman. The regulars are back. For Roger Graham, the team has fallen behind by 3.
Well, Meralco with 3 attack points and 3 errors. Ang PLDT with 4 attack points and 4 errors.
Oh. And that goes through.
Ayan na.
Saya-saya ng grupo ng Meralco. Sabi ng mga taga-PLDT, ba't na tayo hindi na pumunta doon sa game? Morada. Regalo. Hindi na upakan. Misao. Out. Ay, na-check ball. Na-check ball ni Morado.
But, again, Sue Roses not giving up on that very hard return. Very difficult return.
Napapahiga yung Ali. Nililinisan yung sahig natin. 7-10 as De Venadera will be serving. Misao says hello. Battling at the net. Mercado cranks it up. Solton is through. Surprise, it's still alive.
Another chance.
Soriano!
You know why Shadows quick is very effective kahit hindi siya malakas? Kasi quick siya, mabilis. Take a look at this one. Mabilis ng paluin, inaangat pa lang ni Ruby yung bola, pinapalo niya na with kahit pitik-pitik lang.
She strikes it at the right moment when it hits its acme, the highest point, that's when she hits it. At saka ganda ng set ni Ruby, eksakto lang. Mercado. Penting. Roses, standing spike. Abby Maraño lifts it up. Here we go with Mercado. Off speed. Ruby De Leon goes the other direction.
Naman din na set, pero
but nice defense.
Block. Tignan mo naman yung pader na sasalubungin ni Banaticla, Misao at si Owano.
Tingnan mo, ha? Ito yun, eh.
So that.
Walang pupuntahan. 11-8. Shakey's V-League is powered by Motolite Battery. Bam! Matagalan. In the air we go. Huli!
Oy, Mercado single block.
And Abby Maraño is lifting everybody up. And it's a 12-8 count. Roger Corream.
Lamang na sila sa atin psychologically. Andun na yung momentum nila. Huwag niyong i-shift natin yung momentum sa atin. May receive naman kasi tayo eh. Nakaka-receive tayo. Ang problema natin yung execution natin ng offense. Pag na-block yung kakampi natin, bigla tayong nagugulat eh. May receive tayo, may depensa tayo. Yung offense natin ang nagsasuffer eh. Bigyan nyo ng magandang klaseng kombinasyon na huwag yung open-open, nabablock lang tayo dyan eh.
Tama naman. Kasi bistado na sila doon sa open eh. Ito si Banaticla, huli rin eh. Oh. So, kombinasyon ng kailangan. Konting diskarte. 12-8, tambilang natin. PLDT, home tail pad. Lamang sa set count. 2-1. Bakbakan sa third spot dito sa Reinforced Conference ng Shakey's V-League.
Oh, Soriano.
Soriano is stepping forward here at this fourth set. In this fourth set.
sweet spot for Soriano. Nakita niya na walang tao. So, gandang push. Right.
A
with
lot
the
of
right
people
power.
take her for granted, hindi papalo to.
Tama.
Pero biglang,
At yun yung biggest advantage niya,
Yeah.
actually.
yun, pumalo na naman. Mercado. Butas.
Angela Benting. Yun yung sanay tayo makita sa kanya nung college yan. Yung open hitter na hindi kalakihan. Pero napakalakas pumalo.
Sunod-sunod, sasabihin ni Mami Dulce, napapagod na kayo, marami dito.
Nagdudumali.
Nagdudumali na naman kayo. I miss her so much. Happily retired na ata si Mami Dulce.
Minsan nakikita ko siya katulad ng tryout for the Philippine team.
Sabi siya, kung mayaman ako, yun ang manager ko. Panalo yung team na yan, in every which way. Samantala, Meralco, buhay na naman, umiscore, dumistansya ng 3, 13-10. Narito si Stephanie Mercado, tinaas, De Leon, Soriano, nagkaumpugan sa likod. De Guzman is there. De Leon, Soriano, tulak, hindi malinis ang connect. De Guzman, huli, Maranyo sends it to the back row. De Leon wants to go to Sue Roses.
But Mercado with a better dig.
De Guzman, huli, hindi tusok eh.
Ayan, Misao, your spiking setter.
Saya-saya nila. Paus lahat yan, mamaya. 14-10. Okay lang yan, basta masaya.
Oo, yun na importante.
Benting, lampas. Yung babaeng nakakrobata ang pinaka nagwawala eh.
Hindi ba student yun?
Ewan ko, hindi eh. Mukhang member of mukhang one of the boys eh, no? Baka malay mo siya ang bossing ng mga yan.
Oo nga.
15-10. Alanganin. PLDT home telpa. Tama si Roger Correa. The momentum has shifted to Meralco. Technical timeout. Jeez. Lamang ang turbo boosters and PLDT home telpa. Na-pick up yun. Ang linis doon.
Oh! But a miscue between Jen Reyes and De Guzman.
Anong mali? Parang si Conco ng most apologetic.
Well, that's why you have a libero inside. So, kung halimbawang mas nakikita mo na kuha na ng libero, yan yung expertise niya eh. Diba? So, ibigay mo na.
Hindi mag-shift yung momentum nasa Meralco pa din.
Meralco, 7 attack points, pero PLDT ganun din naman. 7 attack points din. Kaya lang may 4 block points na ang Meralco.
Medyo mong malasa si Roger Gurayev. Pinasok si
Patilano.
Oo,
for Ruby De Leon. Maiba lang yung diskarte. Because medyo sunod-sunod rin yung
huli.
Set. Oo, tsaka yung sets ni Ruby na mababa doon sa quick. Isang pagod na yan eh.
Diba? Hindi na ganun kataas ang bola niyan
pagod na.
Hirap po ng trabaho ng setter. Kung minsan galing likod. Galing sa kapitbahay, magseset yan eh.
So imagine, almost all the second balls talagang dapat sa'yo. Hinahabol mo.
Obvious na sa'yo yun.
Ayan na.
Sabi sa'yo, ang Hoy, marami nagagawa sa mundo eh. Tingnan mo, sumigaw si Coach Brian ng Hoy. In the meantime, si Taganas papasok, papalitan si Mercado. Depensa ang kailangan, ha?
Ito yung naging formula ni Coach Brian. Pansin mo? Mula nung ginawa niya yan nung third set, no?
Second set.
Second set. Naging effective sa kanya. Ginagawa niya na palagi.
Langanin. Misao, however, almost bobbled that. Lusot. De Venadera got that through. It'll be 13-18. It is now 13-18. Let's go with Angela Benting.
Kombinasyon.
Sultanes, porsyento na talaga. Patilano, Roses. Uano there.
Banatigla ulit. And Banatigla's been a good replacement for Gretchen Sultanes. Yan ang mahirap na kalaban dahil yung pumalit. Halos equally as good. As productive.
Fresh pa. Angela Benting, 14-18. And Owano gets that to go through. Yun medyo inali niya ng konti yun. Paganos darts out.
Oh, Quemada.
Yung faces, ala na, hugot na ng malibay kasi yung fatigue factor minamanis na ni Brian Esquivel ngayon. Lalim ng hugot ni Brian. Lamang sila ang 5. Hulog, huli. Free ball. Miss out, chinekin yung kabila. Hilalo. Patilano to Roses. About the 4th longest rally.
They're reading each other well already, pero sayang yun because it was a high ball. Nobody there for the second one. Yan yung fatigue, no? Alam mo yung mind mo, alam mo na dapat ka tumakbo, pero ayaw na sumunod yung legs.
Natataranta kayo na una yung gigil yung i-over. Kukunin naman yung bola, yung plano mo, i-over din dun. Ibinigay mo ulit sa kanila yung opensa. Wala yun na sa kamay nyo, huwag niyong tutukutin. Maayos na, kuya. Simpleng bali mo lang. Tinuruan na kita kung saan ang weakness nila. Gawin mo muna. Pinipilit natin pwersahin yung bola eh. Naman tayo sa set. Kailangan nilang manalo sa set. Para manalo sila dito. Para makapixel. Tayo ito na lang kukunin natin eh. Ito na lang oh. Pinababayaan ka natin.
Gusto na talaga mo ni Roger, no? Oo nga naman. Ayaw, ito na lang kailangan natin kunin.
Ramdam naman natin yan.
Oo naman. Kanina pa, first set, Roger Gurrieva informing us that he was a bit under the weather. But his opponent, Meralco, ahead by 6. Roses pagod na rin.
Oo, kaya patay hulog na eh. But yun, sasabihin ko pa lang sana eh. But sometimes, yung mga easy returns mo, you pay for it.
Yeah.
Exactly what happened.
And Penetrante Owano is in the scoring picture as well. Don't forget, if it's fun, family, and pizza, it's got to be Shakey's. Fourth set action. Stefan Herrera foiled by the net. And it is now 22-14. Ruby De Leon marches back in. Let's see if that brief respite, that brief blow on the bench will be beneficial for Ruby De Leon.
Nice.
Tusok.
That's a good one.
Ayun, medyo nakarecover na.
Impact play pagdating pa lang ni Ruby De Leon.
22-15 as 15 serves against 22. So St. Roses has seen no relief here today.
Oh, and a poor first ball from Meralco.
That is Elsie Gurley Quemada. She will be the target again. Regalo, patay. 2 in a row.
Right, Banatigla taking that gift.
Patay na si Brian Esquivel. Kasi mahirap na. Baka naman mawala naman ang momentum sa kanila.
Ayaw niya na pala kumit.
Taas lang natin kasi backline yung circle natin. Hindi pwedeng itataas natin ng sobra-sobra. Sakto lang. Kasi meron na-place point natin. One to two na ha. Focus lang.
Si Misao, natural leader din eh. Oh. Siya ang parang siguro tingin ko a little older than some of the players here. Siya ang umaati. Mercado.
Solid hit.
Tusok na tusok.
She was way up in the air.
That was just so precisely hit. Ganda ng first ball eh. Inabot. Second ball, lifted up. Ganda. 23-17. Nice dive. Huli. Ang laki ng presence ni Iwano dun, ha? Yun, ma-deflect lang. Alis ka dyan, sabi ni Misao. Kasi papalo si Stephanie. Huli. Ulitin natin. Mine. Palo si Misao. Ruby hinabol.
Chance for Meralco. Oops, that was over-received.
Naging puntos. Hawaii. Cute. 24-17. Set point. Morada. Haha! Ruby Jalian says, gotcha! Anything you can do, I have something like that too. Kailangan pumuntos tayo ng pitset.
Oo.
Mukhang ganun talaga eh.
Pero parang ano lang, kung paasa lang tayo doon sa dalawa. Natatalunin natin. Banadikla. Ano mo, magandang bunot si Banadikla.
Actually. Medyo pagod na rin yung Sultanes kanina. Might as well use somebody else.
Meralco just needing one more point.
Yeah, that seems so far away. Bawal kumanta.
Bawal.
Patty cake.
Chance for Meralco. Oh, hindi na nag-antay. Misao.
Banzai!
Mamadali. Tama na yun.
Paka na natin. We will take a look at our shake and play. And why not? We will need a fifth and deciding set. Stay with us. As Roger Correa said, all we needed was this set, but Meralco said, no way.
That's right. And in fact, parang ang nagmamadali itong PLDT. Tuloy, nagkakamali sila.
Nawala yung kapit nila, yung momentum nila doon sa takbo ng set.
That's right.
Ano to? Anybody's game na ito?
Alam naman natin, pag fifth setter na, wala na. Tapon mo na lahat ng statistics. Yung first to fourth set, wala ka nang... ang hugot na lang dito, it's in, pwedeng, you can say it's a cliche, but who wants it more? At kung sino yung meron pang, huhugot? Yung extra hugot, second win, yung mga ganyan.
And Abby Marano scores in the deep corner for the first point of the fifth set. Again, don't forget, Shakey's, if it's Swan Family Pizza, it's got to be Shakey's. And also don't forget, it's a race to 15.
That's right. So far, Mercado with 19 points, Morada with 15, at si Iwano with 10. Sa kabila is Roses with 22, Soltones with 15, Benting and De Leon with 8 each.
In the meantime, it is tied at 1 as Marano missed the quick set. Soriano, who has also played well, is on the service area. The official outfitter of the Shakey's B-League is Axel. Morada. If they want it as a lift.
No go, so...
Brian Esquivel was hoping for a call, but
yeah.
I think it's legal.
Both referees are actually signaling that it was legal.
Yeah. Kasi nag-change yung rules ng ano eh. Anyway, it's 2-1 PLDT, but you know, you're fighting for every point here.
Yes, and this is the time for, let's say, a player like Abby Maraño to get back to her groove and play her game, take the lead. Kasi pagod na yung ibang mo kasama eh, di ba?
She's drawing it from somewhere deep inside. 2 apiece. Don't forget, the official ball of the Shakey's V-League is Mikasa. Serve and play. Roses. Nice.
Good job by Abby.
Abby coming to the fore here.
Pero
that to be denied. Roses, may fist pump din naman ng ate mo.
Tama. And then si Sue has been there since the first set.
Ako, papagod na ako rito. Sa panahon ng tagulan, iwasan ng dengue, Lion Tiger Katol lang gamitin. Proudly Philippine made. Halo, Morada. Reyes. Agawan!
Nagkaagawan and miscue on the side of Meralco.
Apologetic si Morin. Tingin ko hindi kanya.
And si Coach Roger, look at him. Look at the adjustment. Going back to his original starter.
Ganyan naman style niya eh, no? Balik yung una. Para may harmony.
Saka iba yung may, yung veterano na. Pagdating sa 5th set, iba yung sanay lumaban ng 5th set. Kasi yung 5th set, di ba, may iba ring karga yan eh. Pagka yung baguhan
That is so precise. Because each point is different eh. Hindi mo
parang...
Hindi mo na ma-allow yung, sige na, okay na yan.
Ang ganda naman ng pagkakasend, but
Bitin.
missing the target, hitting the net.
Brian Esquivel is so anxious for a win. He's complaining. He's coaching hard. Can't blame him. Shakey's. The V-League is powered by Motorite Battery pang matagalan. Huli. Down in the water.
Soltones once again given the second chance by Ruby De Leon in making it on the second try. Yun yung kumpiyansa ni Ruby kay Gretchen.
Kasi alam ni Ruby yung power ni Gretchen. Nakapagod na rin yung kabila eh, no? Paluan mo na. Mercado. Sundot ni De Venadera.
Smartly done. Just on the perfect spot.
6-4. Shakey's. If it's fun family pizza, it's got to be Shakey's. Maraño. Nice strike by Mercado. Top of the jump there.
But si Jen Reyes is digging it up.
Ay, alanganin. Masama yung set ni Abby.
Right, De Venadera just taking advantage, swiping it.
Gamit ng timeout si Brian Esquivel. Makinig tayo.
Tatlo lang. Huwag natin madaliin yung coverage sa atin kasi umu-over. So, bawi tayo. Tatlo lang. Isa-isahin natin. Isip muna. Tatlo is spiker ni Sao. You have 3 spiker. Right? Adjust muna. Pasukan natin.
Service by Sue Roses. They're ahead 7-4. Will change sides at 8. De Leon. Good floating set. Abby Maraño lifts it into the air.
Morada. Miss hitting that. Ang ganda rin sana nung magka-short lang yung bato ni Misao. Pero maganda eh.
Ang daming fatigue mistakes na, no? Pagod
yun
na.
lang eh. Hinabol ni Morada. Ayan o, ang ganda sana kasi pa... Ay, ito yung kay De Banadera na
Oo.
simple push. Got that point. Simpleng-simple.
Pero yung kanina, no, hinabol ni Morada.
Ang ganda sana nung bato ni Misaw sa likod. Back set.
Ito si Sue Roses, napaka-com...
Ano ba naman yung numbers natin?
Oo,
Seth?
no, parang ano. Naglaro ka ng basketball. Pero ito, tingnan mo.
Nakita ko yung numbers, napagod ako eh.
But enjoy. Happy volleyball, as
Yes!
you always say.
Happy volleyball.
Wano is rejected. Tinaas ni Ruby. Misao does the same. Parang sinuntok si Sue Roses.
Oh,
Well done.
there you go. Mercado. Hitting it hard. And makita mo si Mercado. Bigay todo. Alam niyang fifth set na to. Alam niya kung paano ka-importante.
Nothing left.
Yeah. Kung kaya mo nang patayin, yun na yung gagawin mo.
5 against 8. Sue Roses.
Oh, Jenry is digging it.
And falling, rolling over.
Tigay also. Ganda na floor defense ng parehong teams. Oh, bad Soltones. So much power na. Ayan yung second win na sinasabi ko. Mukhang dahil sa pag-upo niya, di ba? Dahil maganda rin nilaro ni Banatikla, nakapagpahinga. Itong si Soltones. Meralco now 3 attack points. PLDT having 5.
The Venadera serve. Misao sets it up. Long. We would have a timeout.
Kailangan natin makarecover. Kailangan muna natin makapunto. Receive muna tayo. Pasukan mo ulit. Kailangan natin mag-concentrate dun sa coverage natin. Kasi pag na-block tayo, kailangan may kasunod na atake tayo. Hindi yung pag na-block tayo, nawawala tayo. Isa lang.
PLDT home Telpad is 5 points away from third place. Can they close it?
Look at Banatikla now coming in for the Banadera. So, natin, iba naman ang bunot ngayon ni Coach Roger. Si Banatikla, kasi ang ganda na pinakita eh.
Let's see if she connects.
Pero nasa ibang posisyon ngayon. Nilagay! Banatikla sends the serve into the net.
Gusto mo sisihin pero wala kang magawa. Having played the game, Roger Goreyev knows it just happens, but you know, can't blame him. Nice reach by Charo Soriano. Misao. Alanganin. Ruby De Leon with a couple of bad sets here. Calls for a new play.
Over receive.
Break. It was a break. Natalo sa joust ng Meralco eh.
Tama.
(11-7).
Sinisigaw sa likod, konti na lang daw.
Oo nga. Soltones the jump serve. In. Regalo.
That was over-received by Meralco. Easy taking there for PLDT.
And if the PLDT home Telpad side, 3 points away. Jump serve. In.
Ready si Jen Reyes.
Box.
Oh!
Out.
It's in.
Alam ni Ruby De Leon na out, sinubukan niyang habulin. It's 8-12 as Mercado will serve.
Oh, tama. Si Ruby pala yung nandun. It's called... Called out. Sayang, alam mo, yung makikita mo dito, yung may presence of mind pa, no? Steph,
Yes.
like Ruby De Leon, ginawa niya yun.
A little of everyone scoring here in the fifth set for PLDT home telpad. Charo Soriano finding a way as well. They are 2 points away from closing the deal. De Leon.
Sound. Nice set to Abby.
Lapigay. Free ball coming. No, it's a strike. Rizal missed. Wala nang lift yung talo niya.
Tama.
And it is now match point. Gallant stand by Meralco. Not yet over, but it might be over soon. De Leon, third win nito. Nice touch.
Pantone there again.
Ito si Sue Roses kanina pa gusto umuwi nito. Sinuntok. Binayo. Inabot.
And let's go down. Coach Roger asking already for a double violation.
Double ang hinihingi niya, no? Either that or that. But Brian Esquivel and his crew, a gallant stand. Brian Esquivel so disappointed, but what can you do? His team tried. So let's congratulate PLDT Home Telpad for picking up third place. They will go home with that with a smile after our shaky play.
Please come forward to get your medals. Ruby De Leon, jersey number 1. Rizabel de Vanadera, jersey number 2. Team captain, Suzanne Roses, jersey number 3. Jersey number 5, Gretchel Soltones. Jersey number 6, Leslie Ann Gata Pantone. Jersey number 7, Marul Banatikla. Number 8, Angela Benting. Number 11, Lawrence Ann Latigay. Number 12, Des Patilano. Number 14, Charo Soriano. Number 16, Eliza Eroa. And number 18, Nika Guliman. They're mentored by their head coach, Mr. Roger Gorayen. Assistant coach, Clint Malazzo. Their trainers, Samson Sikat and Raymond Pili. Let's give a round of applause to our PLDT Home Telpad Turbo Boosters for taking the bronze medal in Season 11, the reinforced Open Conference of the Shakey's V-League, where it all started.
Okay, that's third place. PLDT Home Telpad going home with the honors, and there's Mr. Ricky Palu and Mr. Moy Martelino presenting the trophy. They fought and hung on steadfast in the match, Mosi.
But it wasn't an easy game today against Meralco. Meralco stretching it all the way to fifth set, pero ang PLDT, tama ka doon. In the end, yung sabi nga ni Suno, nung fifth set, yun ang naging importante because they played well in the fifth set.
Thank you, Mosi. And we look forward to seeing you in the finals for the men's and for the women's in the days to come. In behalf of Ira Pablo and Mosi Ravena, thank you for joining us here in the Shakey's V-League, where it all started.